Hello, welcome to Toddler Storytime. Yay! This is week 2 in our 7-week session, and I'm Miss Andrea with Everett Public Library. Let's start with our welcome song. We tap our head and say hello. That's how you say hello in sign language. Hello, hello. And the sign for friends, you take your 2 fingers and you curl them around each other, kind of like 2 friends giving each other a hug. Can you make the sign for friends? It's time. You point to your wrist or to your watch. It's time to say hello. Will you sing with me? Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Oh, one more time. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Hello, friends. Thank you for joining me today. Today we get to play with shapes. The first shape we're going to play with is a circle. Look at how round that circle is. We're going to draw a circle in the air. So you're going to start and make a big circle. Can you do that? Oh, fantastic. So we're going to do a little song with it. The tune is My Darling Clementine, and it goes like this. Make a circle, draw it up in the sky. Use your finger, make it round like a pie. Can you sing with me? Make a circle, draw it up in the sky. Use your finger, make it round like a pie. Very good. The second verse, we're going to make a square. Look at this big square. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and each of the sides are the same length. That's what makes this a square. So we're going to draw a square, make those lines so straight. Perfect. Draw a square. You can draw 1 or even draw 8. Here we go. Draw a square, make the lines so straight. Draw a square, draw 1 or draw 8. The last shape that we're going to play with in this song today is a triangle. And when we break down the word triangle, it has the word tri, which means 3. This has 1, 2, 3 sides for our triangle. So when we draw a triangle, we're going to start at the top and make 3 sides. It looks like a tent. So here we go. Draw a triangle, always start at this top. Make a tent, draw 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, then stop. Today's book, we get to play with shapes. This is Goodnight, Construction Site, Bulldozer Shapes by Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and Ethan Long. Thank you, Chronicle Books, for letting me share this book today. I'm going to use the document camera so you can see it really well. Here we go. Goodnight, Construction Site, Bulldozers Shapes by Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and Ethan Long. Thank you, Chronicles Books, for allowing us to share this today. At a new construction site, Bulldozer revs up with delight. He sees the messy, rugged view. Woohoo! There's so much awesome work to do. Crane truck will help to point the way. They'll get this site in shape today. Big bulldozer starts to run and push right through to start the fun. Crane truck goes high to check the view and see what Dozer needs to do. Crane truck plans the job with care. Wait, Crane shouts. Start! Over there. Bulldozer nods. He's off to play and carves a squiggle along the way. He gathers boulders, makes a stack, charging forward, gliding back. With great power, he rolls and wrangles those rocks into a tall triangle. Then he moves great piles of ground into a circle, nice and round. Go left now, calls out Crane Truck. But watch that hole or you'll get stuck. Bulldozer clears huge piles of sand and forms a diamond in the land. He collects all kinds of rusty junk into one massive metal hunk, and soon all the mangled tangle is set into a neat rectangle. Bulldozer moves 10 gravel hills with perfect skill, so nothing spills. He gathers piles near and far and makes one mound shaped like a star. He shifts down hard to push and scrape and make a road an oval shape. Crane Truck points, "You're almost done." Bulldozer makes one last run. He moves away old trees and stumps and levels all the hills and humps. Now the site is flat and bare, a perfect, smooth, and giant square. Hip hip hooray! We've read Bulldozer Shapes today. Wow! All in a day's work, right? Building all of those shapes? That was a fun book. We're going to play with shapes again. I'm going to tell you a little story about a house that I live in. I live in a blue square. Do you remember how many sides this has? 1, 2, 3, 4. And all of them are the same. I live in a blue square. And there is a large green rectangle door. Now this, how many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. This has 4 sides and this has 4 sides, but one is a square and one is a rectangle. You know why? Because not all 4 sides are equal. So these 2 long sides and you have these 2 short sides. That's what helps make a rectangle. So here we have a green rectangle door. Now we played with this shape already. Do you remember what this is? You're right. It's a triangle. It's a red triangle roof. But look outside. There's more. Here we go. Remember what this is? In the morning, when I wake up, there's a bright and shining orange sun way up high. And when it's time to go to bed, there's a single yellow star with a white crescent moon looking down from so far. Shapes and colors, come with me. Let's count them. How many can we see? Will you count the shapes with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We used 6 shapes for that story. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes. Thank you for playing with shapes with me today. Do you remember our hand washing song? where you use lots of soap and water, and we wash the top and the bottom and in between, yeah? Rub them all together. They're almost clean. Scrub your knuckles and your thumb underneath your fingernails, and now we're done. The tune is Frere Jacques, and it goes like this. Tops and bottoms, in between. Did you interlace your fingers? In between, rub them all together, almost clean, almost clean. Scrub your knuckles, and your thumb, underneath your fingernails, now you're done, When I say goodbye, I wave my hand. Sometimes I'll wave the other hand. I always clap my hands for my friends. That's you. And if I want to be really cute, I'll wave with both hands. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. One more time. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. Bye, my friends. We'll see you next time. And don't forget, the library's open, so you can come and see us. Bye, friends.